loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Rasheeta Joy and I am your plant-based fitness and nutrition coach. It's Sunday and about time you guys actually watch this video. I should be on a plane on my way to Bali, okay? My videos come out every Wednesday, okay? So today, Sundays I usually show you guys like meal prep and all things cooking and grocery shopping. But today, because we're going to be leaving out soon, I slept in a little bit and we're going to go to the gym. I'm going to take you guys with me to the gym. Let's do this. I'm hungry. So let's get like a little tiny snack before we go to the gym because I don't want to go hungry and it's already like noon. Let's go. So my clients, you guys know I'm a big fan of Ezekiel bread, right? Sprouted bread, right? But I don't know, Tabitha Brown kind of had this Dave's Killer Bread, so I'm going to give it a try, just to see, because I am leaving town, so it's not like I'm going to be able to pig out on it. You got to know what your habits are, right? Like if you know bread is a kryptonite for you, you got to find ways to either avoid it or different ways to eat it. Bread is not really my kryptonite, so I'm okay with it. Put it in the freezer so you can't have access to it like right away, But I'm going to take like just one slice and I'm going to actually put it into my air fryer. For just a minute, just to get a little toasty. And what I want to try to do is I just want like something just to kind of coat my stomach a little bit. All right. Oops. So I got my PB Fit, right? So let's try something. Like this is good because it's lower in fat and I don't have to worry about it being too fattening or too high in calories. So I'm just gonna take like a little scoop. Let's give this a try. I never did this before, okay? If you're not worried about fat intake, I'm about to be in a bikini in a couple days, so I'm trying to make sure so I'm just gonna put that in here. A little bit of water. I don't know if you guys can even see what I'm doing. So I just kind of got this, and I'm just gonna kind of like mix it up like that. I don't know. Smells like peanut butter. Okay. If I had a banana. I don't have a banana because I don't want anything that can go bad before my trip. So we got this here. And it looks just like peanut butter. Right. Take one little toast. A little toast out. And I'm just going to put it on my little toast like it's a peanut butter. Y'all, this ghetto, but guess what? It's going to work. It's going to work for me because I don't have a rice cake. If I had a rice cake, I probably would have did the same thing. I wish I had some fruit, y'all. I don't have any fruit. I wish I had some fruit. What I got in here? Everything is dry, okay? So I just got this here like this. I could have put some hemp seeds in there, but I'm not gonna do that. Perfect. This will take me to the gym. I ate that peanut butter bread toast thing like nothing. All right, so let me show you something that I use when I go to the gym. I know I don't really tell you guys a lot about supplements or anything like that, but I do take supplements. All right, so I have these BCAA'S. To be honest with you guys, I kind of just make my own, okay? Like, these are amino acids, and I mix it with some ginkgo biloba, I mix it with some lion's mane, I mix it with a little maca root. I make my own mix, all right? So I use amino acids because they're really good for just making sure that the protein synthesizes in your body, that it is the building blocks of protein. Helps with recovery. It also helps with endurance. when you're working out. So I make sure that I take my amino acids. Amino acids are good for your hair, your skin, your nails. You need the protein. So that's why I use amino acids. I just take a scoop and I mix it in here. But because I make my own, I can give you guys the link to this brand, but I kind of just make my own. And I mix it with, like I was saying, a lot of other good things. All right. But if, in case you don't want to make your own, you know, I'll give you the link to that brand description below. Probably wondering, like, what is this, right? So I don't believe in any unnatural or the natural artificial flavors or colors or anything like that. So it tastes horrible. So what I do is, whenever I make a smoothie and I have like extra smoothie left, I kind of just put it into a Ziploc freezer bag like this. And then I lay it flat so that I could just like break it like that. And then I take a piece out. And for me, it's like a little tiny ice cube that I put inside of my amino acids so that it doesn't taste horrible when I'm at the gym. This is nothing but just strawberries, because you guys have seen how I collect berries and strawberries. You saw my freezer right now. I got like berries and strawberries galore, right? So I just kind of do that, and I just put in my shaker. This is what I'm sipping on when I'm in the gym. I sip on this while I'm working out. And I just shake it up. It keeps it kind of cold. Gives a little bit of fruit flavor. And that's it. Let's go to the gym. Let's go. Let me get some gas. And gas is ridiculous. It's $5.89 a gallon. Oh my God. Somebody help. But I said, let me talk about BCAA'S just briefly for a minute, right? So branch chain amino acids, that's what I poured in my cup, right? Now, ordinarily, you eat enough protein and you're able to live life without taking BCAA'S. But we are on a plant-based diet and we are building serious muscle, okay? Like I said, serious muscle. Because if I was eating enough, if I ate chicken or beef or anything else, I would still take branch chain amino acids, right? So the branch chain amino acids are made of 3 different amino acids: valine, isoleucine, and leucine. All right. So that's the 3 that our bodies cannot make, right? So you have to eat it. And like I said, ordinarily, if you have a good diet, if you're just doing the basic minimum, working out 2-3 times a week, cool. You don't need to take the supplement. But if you're trying to like get big, trying to actually build muscle, right? I'm talking to somebody out there, then you need to supplement with some BCAA'S. It's recommended, right? So they help support fat loss, help retain protein synthesis so you can actually build muscle with the protein that you're eating. And it just helps reserve the muscle that you have already, right? So for example, I'm going to work out. I only ate very little, right? If I worked out, I'm doing a strength training workout and I did it fasted, I potentially could lose muscle. So that's why you take the amino acids, guys, and make sure that you use fat for energy instead of muscle. So that's a little brief session on BCAA'S and maybe who needs it, why you would need it, and why I take it. Now let's finish up this expensive gas. Gosh, $85. Oh my God. Drink my BCAA'S while I'm working out. Lately, this has been my favorite ab workout. The decline, sit up. You want a real challenge for lower abs? You lay on this backwards. That will hit the bottom of your abs. And hold on. Don't quit. You just take it down to the easiest when you feel tired. You're doing a workout and you notice that you get really tired around the 8th or 9th rep and you have 10 or 12 to do. If you're doing the advanced, you could take it down to doing the easiest, right? So how I extended my legs up and I got tired, so I don't quit. I just make it a little easier. You know what I mean? Workout is complete. We're all done, okay? Now, I do want to mention that there's a whole regimen for your post-workout, all right? So if you are trying to build some serious muscle, you know, like really build some lean muscle, there are some things you should make sure you do after you finish your workout. I'll talk about that in another video. If you want to know more about that, just leave me a comment below and say, we want to know more. But good job today, guys. So give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel if you want to learn more about building plant-based muscle and how you live this plant-based lifestyle. Thank you, guys. I'll see you guys in Bali. That's going to be the next video. Bye.